Hi everybody! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a blow spinning top. We need 2 sheets of origami paper for this one, and I chose different colors because it's more interesting. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. So let's start. We start with 1 sheet of origami paper with the white side up. We're gonna fold in half horizontally. And then fold, and then vertically, and then fold. Okay, now we're gonna bring 2 opposite corners to the middle, to the center. And we turn the model over and fold it in half vertically. And unfold, and then horizontally. Crease. And unfold. Now we turn the model over again, and using the creases that we just made, we're gonna bring it together like this. And it looks like this. So here we have half of the spinning top. We're gonna do the same for the other half. We start with the white side up, fold in half horizontally. Unfold, fold again vertically. Fold, and then again bring 2 opposite corners to the center. Now turn the model over and fold in half vertically. Crease. Unfold and fold it again in half horizontally. Okay, unfold, and now turn it again over, and we're gonna use the creases that we just made and flatten the model. And it looks just like the first one. Now to assemble, we're gonna put each of the corners in the pocket of the opposite half, of the other half, like this. And it's done. To play with it, hold it between your fingers, like this, and blow. Or for a better grip, you can hold it between your hands. And it will spin. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look in the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.